And I'm sure that that's why he's here. And of course, a lot of people who are in the Obidient were recruited through the Labour Party platform. I'm sure you also know of that. So, having said all of this, I will allow Dr. Peter Piper to throw some light on the question. And we don't shave a man's head on this. He's here, so he will speak for himself.
All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. My name is Peter Michael Piper. And here I want to answer your question directly. The Obidient movement was never formed by Peter Obi. The Obidient movement was a construct of the civil society movements. And these civil society movements have been on this far, far, far before Peter Obi came on board. Now, I have the documents here to prove it. Here is the certificate of the Obidient movement. It was registered since 2023. And it was registered as Obidient for a Better Nigeria. Obidient with an E. Here is the constitution of the Obidient movement since 2023. And here what you see is the Obidient with an E, not an I. So when we say that the Obidient movement was hijacked and stolen, it's not a false allegation. Here is the application for the registration of the Obidient movement with an E. And you have all of the documents here to prove that the Obidient movement was registered and it was predicated on the former national anthem. If you remember the former national anthem, it says, "Arise, O compatriots." So the comrade, the compatriots, we arose. And what was the second line? Nigeria's call, obey. So we rose up to the call of Nigeria to obey Nigeria. The former national anthem didn't say Nigerians call obey. It said Nigeria's call obey. So I hereby defect to.
Please be.